exam you have to appear into the 5 viva or the 6 viva if it is a prelim and the university. Theory viva 1 and theory viva 2, according to your physiology paper 1 and paper 2. Let's talk about the others viva. So the one is a hematology exercise and the viva. The second one is a clinical exercise and the viva. Then the graph and the chart viva. The vivas of the instruments and the theory viva I have already told you. Then we talk about this hematology exercise and the viva. In hematology exercise and the viva, on your table there is a question will be written that which exercise you have to perform. The exercise you have to perform, it will be either the long microscopic exercise or the short hemat exercise. Long microscopic hematology exercise or the short hemat exercise. If on your table the in question, if there is a short hemato exercise you have to perform, then along with that one calculation will be also there along with this short hemat exercise. So you have to do short hemat exercise and you have to do the calculation and then you have to give the viva. If it is a long microscopic exercise, then there will be no calculation, right? In clinical exercise and the viva, again there are two questions. One is a major clinical question and or the major clinical exercise. In the minor clinical exercise, marks distribution, it will be already given to you also, right? Major usually carries the 15 marks, minor carry the 10 marks. Here long hematology exercise carries the 20 marks. So depending upon the internal exam, the marks distribution will be given to you. Okay. So in clinical exercise also there is a two exercise. One is the major and the second one is a minor. Then in the third exercise, in third viva, that is the viva of graph and the chart. The graph you have to prepare for the physiology exam, that is the graph of the nerve muscle preparation, that is the simple muscle curve or the simple muscle twitch, and all other graphs related to the SMC, and the graph of the frog's heart and the all other graphs related to the frog's heart, like effect of temperature, properties, vehicle escape, the effect of drug, and same in the nerve muscle preparation, SNC, effect of temperature, the beneficial effect, summation of stimuli, fatigue, preload, afterload. So these different graphs you have to prepare for this, and in addition to that you have to also prepare the charts taught you in your physiology practicals, like the O2 CO2 dissociation, ECG, the endocrine photographs, all things you have to prepare for this graph, chart and the photograph. Then for the instrument, the whatever instrument you use in the physiology practicals, they can be asked in the instrument viva, right? So either it is from the hematology lab or it may be the clinical lab or maybe experimental in the tutorial lab. So the instrument, so whatever you have used into the physiology or taught you in your physiology, it will be asked in the viva of the instruments. And the theory viva, for the internal exam there is usually one theory viva, and in the prelims and the university usually there is a two theory viva for the physiology paper 1 and for the physiology paper. In hematology, the practical you have to perform, that is marked here with the orange tick. That is the estimation of hemoglobin, total white blood cell count, total red blood cell count, then the cells in peripheral blood film, that is peripheral smear, the differential count, the blood coagulation BTCT, blood grouping, and the tonicity. Among this, the long microscopic hemat exercise, that is 3, total red blood cell count, total white blood cell count, and the cells in peripheral blood film or the peripheral smear, and the differential count. These are the long microscopic exercise. Usually peripheral smear, the question is like the prepare the peripheral blood smear and the demonstrate the neutrophil, demonstrate the lymphocyte, or the demonstrate the monocyte. Now short hemat exercise, in which along with the hemat exercise you have to do calculation. So the exercise marked with orange tick, and in addition to that I have marked the plus sign which is orange in color in short hemat exercise. So short hemat exercise are estimation of hemoglobin, blood grouping, the blood coagulation BTCT, and the effect of tonicity of saline fragility. So in this 4 hemat exercise, there is a calculation is also there. For the calculation you have to read the 2 chapters mainly, that is the blood indices and related calculation, and the second one is the absolute count of WBC. In blood indices, mainly MCH, MCHC, MCV, and the color index and the oxygen carrying capacity.